Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve weekly contest 4 to 7 problems. So let's get started with problem number 1, transformed array. So in this problem you are given an integer array nums that represent a circular array. Your task is to create a new array result of the same size following these rules. Okay. So here if the number is greater than 0, so we are just going to start at index I and move nums of I steps to the right in the circular array, and we are going to set the result of I to the value of the index where you land. Okay, so here we are going to create one result array, okay, of the same size of my nums, right? And here at this position I want to fill the value. So here what is written here, 3 means positive value. Okay, so here one step, two step, and at three steps. So at three steps we have 1, so here I am going to fill 1. Okay, so this is for positive number. All right, then after that, if a number is negative, nums of I is less than 0, okay, then we are going to start at index I and move absolute of nums of I steps to the left in the circular array. Set result of I to the value of the index where you land. Okay, so here -2 is there, so 2 steps in the left side, 1 and then 2. Okay, so 1 is here, so I'm going to write 1 here. All right, then after that, if nums of I is equal to 0, then we are just going to set result of I to the nums of I, and we have to return the new array result. Okay, since nums is circular, moving past the last element wraps around to the beginning, and moving before the first element wraps back to the end. Okay, so it's clear already. So here 1, so 1 means positive number, so we are going to move one step forward, so we have 1 here. This one moves one step to the right, so we have 3 here, so I'm going to write 3, and this is my output. Okay, that's it. Clear with this problem statement, right? So this is what we need to do here. -1, one step backward. Okay, so we have -1 here. 4 means 4 steps to the right, 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and then 4, so -1. -1 means one step to the left, so we reach here, we see 4 is there, so we are writing 4. Okay, that is it. Okay, so now see this example here. -10 is here, okay, and here -10 is here. Okay, so now we have to use a circular, right? So here this is -10. Okay, so this is index 0, this is index 1. So now this is -10 simply means that we have to move to the left side, okay, one by one. Okay, so how many moves? So moves is going to be absolute of nums of I, so we have to make 10 moves to the left side. Okay, 10 moves to the left side. All right, so here how I'm going to write this? I'm going to write it like this. At index 1 I am right now. For this step -10 I'm saying I have to move to the left side, so I have to use minus symbol. And how many times? 10. Okay, 1 minus 10. All right, and since this is a circular, okay, circular, so here I'm just going to add the size of this plus 2. Okay, and I'm just going to do the modulus with n. Okay, so what is the value I'm going to get? -9 -9 plus plus 2. Okay, which is nothing but 7, right? -9 plus 2 is -7. Okay, modulus with 2, size is 2. Okay, so I'm going to get something negative. Okay, I'm going to get -1. So -1 itself is not there index. Okay, so in this also I'm just going to add n. Okay, I'm going to add n. So what is the value that I'm going to get now? -1 plus 2, I'm going to get +1. Okay, all right, and then again I'm going to do the modulus of this one with the n. N is 2, so 1 modulus with 2, I'm going to get index as 1. Okay, so here see, this is right. Okay, let's verify that. So 10 moves. Okay, 1 move, 2 move, 3 move, 4 move, 5 move, 6 move, 7 move, 8 move, 9 move, and 10 move. Okay, so this is right. So this is the formula that we have to use. Okay, this since this is a circular array. Okay, so here this is a Java code and it's accepted as well. Okay, so here calculating the length result array that we took, and if number is negative, then we have to move the absolute number, right? So here -10. Okay, and I am going to operate a result like this: nums of I minus move plus n, modulus with n, then again add n and again do modulus of n, because we may get negative numbers here. So okay, so for that reason we have to do like this. All right, and if number is positive, then we have to move the positive number side. So here I didn't do math dot absolute, and result of I am updating it as I plus mu plus n modulus with n. That's it. All right, and the result is going to be like this. Okay, if it is 0, so result of 0 is nums 0. Okay, result of 1 is equal to nums of 1. Okay, if nums of I is equal to 0, and we are returning the final result I. Okay, that's it. So I hope that you guys are clear with the question number 1 of weekly contest 4 to 7. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section, and please subscribe my YouTube channel so that you guys get the notification for question number 2. Okay, thank you.